can't wear my hair down anymore.
Why?
He pulls it all out.
Oh yeah, I heard you screaming earlier.
I know, he yanked it.
Hey, don't yank Mama's hair.
On purpose. I know it.
Karen, that's not on purpose.
Look at me smiling with that mischievous smile.
He doesn't know any better.
He does. He's a smart boy. He knows. Alright, what are we doing today?
I don't know, but Karen and I all morning just got all our work done. Did all of my real estate, caught up, finally. Karen, you changed some things in your Instagram and YouTube profiles.
I did more than just that, okay?
Yeah.
I changed like the about and description on our YouTube channel and all that.
Your job is so much cooler than mine.
What? No, let me see how
I sat down and filed paperwork all morning.
Yeah.
And you just went on social media and changed things. That's so cool.
Hey, but I did more than that. I changed baby's diapers and fed them.
Hey, me too. Jackson had the biggest poop ever. It's so weird that we can say this to you guys and it's just like normal. Yeah. But like if I told my friends, my son had the biggest poop ever, they'd be like, ew, why are you telling me that? But yeah, you guys are awesome.
Why do you have that sweatshirt on?
Oh, I had this sweatshirt on because I just killed a hornet's nest. Update on the birds. Let me go show you guys actually. I'm not gonna get too close, but there's 3 little chicks, little birds that are out of the nest like begging for food, like trying to wait for their mom to come back and feed them, which is why I don't want to get too close. But there was a hornet's nest and I didn't want them to sting the little birds, so I just got rid of it, which is why I had the sweater on and it's like 100 degrees out. I didn't want to get stung myself. Save the birds.
See, he says he didn't want the birds to get stung, not our children.
Oh yeah, our children too, of course. Okay, so as you guys know, there's a nest in this flower thing. Let's see, I don't want to get too close. Oh look, you can see them, their mouths are open. They're like, mama, fever.
Bird, the mama, oh, it's gone.
Oh, right there, on the floor.
Where?
Floor, behind the post.
Behind the post?
Yeah, it's behind the post. You'll
I
see.
see.
Right there, you see her?
Yeah, she's down there getting food
For the
for
baby.
babies. I was just watching the mama bird feed them and then I came back and she was down on the ground again. Oh look, she got something.
She did?
Yeah, oh that's a rock. That's a smart bird. Wait, that's not a rock. Oh, that's the hornet's nest.
No.
She's biting the hornet's nest.
Should I go save her?
No, there's no hornets on it, but she's eating it. There she goes. You see her?
Oh, she's feeding it the hornet's nest.
Yeah, she's feeding the birds. She's a savage. There she is. Aww. She's regurgitating it.
Yeah, but is there any nutrients in the hornet's nest?
Oh, and obviously. She knows best. She's had the mom. Are you trying to tell her what
No,
to feed her kid?
I'm not.
Yeah,
I'm
yeah.
not.
That's what I thought.
I'm not.
I'm wearing the same clothes as yesterday just because this was what I wanted to wear in the photo shoot. So
Oh yeah, so we're taking photos
don't
today.
judge me. I'll change later. So we're taking photos again. This time for real.
Mm-hmm.
Let's do that.
If you watched yesterday's vlog, I ruined our photo shoot.
So we're just waiting for Jackson to wake up and then we're gonna get these photos taken. Hopefully it does not rain again.
Hey Jackson.
Good morning. Oh. You all done?
Oh no, he wants me to come in.
Uh-oh.
Okay.
There's no stopping this behavior. Huh.
What?
No matter how hard I try.
What, me going in the crib?
Yes.
No.
If it breaks, he'll be sleeping with us. And I'll be sleeping somewhere else and you will be sleeping with them.
Okay.
Him.
I'll sleep with them. When's our photographer coming?
You mean your sister?
Yeah.
Soon.
Okay, cool.
Okay, so I'm setting up right now to take the pictures. We asked Qua's sister to come help us, but it's about to rain and I don't think she's gonna make it here in time before it stops raining, so we're gonna try and do it ourselves.
We've been trying for the past few days to take family photos and it hasn't been working out because the way we want to do it, everything has to be perfect. And right now there's like trucks out on the road and people doing yard work and stuff like that, so we'll just have to wait. And it looks like it's gonna rain again, so that sucks. So, my sister just texted us. She said she can come help us take pictures. She can hold the camera while we set everything up, and it'll be perfect. We're hoping to do that later. Hopefully by today, because Karen
We cannot do
desperately wants a new family photo.
We need it. We need it today.
She wants it so bad.
So bad.
Okay, well, I'll get it done for us. Jackson, are you gonna help us get it done? Who's actually smiling and everything? Yeah, you were. You're so cute. Thumbs up. Hey, Jackson's stick. Jackson's stick, hey. Alright, finally my sister got here.
I drove to the mall.
You drove to the mall? It's been difficult. Hey. Alright, unfortunately, most of them, like 99% of them, weren't focused on us, so we're focused on the mailbox in the background, but I'll try and make it work. He's so chubby.
He's so fun.
Oh,
You had fun?
yeah. I
Okay.
hope they turned out okay.
Yeah, me too. We just got done taking photos. Thank you guys so much for helping out.
But we lost Jackson.
Where is he?
I have no idea. There he is.
Jackson, what are you doing out there?
Watching TV.
Come over here.
Are you watching TV? I matched Jackson.
You
Striped jumper. Striped jumper.
Hey, Jackson, come join the party. So cute.
Hi. More. I have not cooked in a long time, and since today basically was waiting around to take pictures and it actually like working out finally, and just I'm just gonna cook. We're gonna cook. While I'm cooking. Wow. You guys look comfy. All 1, 2, 3, all 5 of you. Must be nice. Alright, I was gonna make spaghetti, but we're gonna make a change. This whole day is like, we're doing this, just kidding, we're doing this, just kidding, we're doing this. We're all over the place. Now it's my turn to say, Kwa, get your ass outside and grill for me. Karen, what's in your mouth? Are you spoiling your dinner?
Pop-Tart.
Pop-Tart? Oh my goodness. Oh my god, I sound like such a mom. Are you spoiling your dinner? I hate myself.
Such a mother. I want to show you guys our new handshake. Alright, ready?
Wait.
Alright, ready?
Alright, thanks. Oh, that's my cup.
Go.
Oh, wait, I did it wrong.
You did?
He went,
Okay, ready? Ready?
Okay.
Isn't that great?
This is Sydney. Oh my god. She is.
It's called stepping. I'm gonna make music by clapping and stomping my feet. Ready? So good.
Jesus.
I'm so good.
So good at this.
So good.
Oh my god.
So good.
How are you doing that?
Yeah. Karen and I are so hungry. She's making the burger and eating it at once. We're not even serving it on plates. We're just, look at her. She's devouring them.
We just shared one. I was eating it and he's like, give me some of it.
So hungry. Have we eaten all day, Karen?
No.
We haven't eaten anything today. This is what happens whenever you focus on work too much. You forget to eat and it's not good for you. Karen, what'd you put on there?
I put ketchup, mayonnaise, lettuce, burger, and pickles.
Karen, you're missing something.
I know.
Yeah, but you're missing something. There's no sriracha in there.
Exactly.
Whoa!
Oh!
Way too much.
Whoa, there's no such thing as too much sriracha. This is a delicious burger. Mmm.
Hi. I made Jackson rice and beans because he doesn't like hamburger meat for some reason.
Yeah, he doesn't. He's a weird boy.
I know, I'm also gonna try mac and cheese again. So I'm making mac and cheese too, just to see if he likes it.
Jackson, I didn't know this, but he likes sweet tea and onions. He's eating like little bits of onions.
So weird.
Yeah, it is weird because I don't like onions at all. He's just eating
I love them.
them. Yum. Oh, not the keys.
He's like, no, the onions for me. Hi.
Hey.
Peter Jackson.
Oh,
Why are you recording me?
you told me to.
No, you didn't.
Oh, you didn't?
No.
Oh, what'd you say?
Yeah, I did.
Oh, I was so zoned out. I was on my phone and then I thought I heard you say, hey, pick up the vlog camera and vlog me. And then so I did, and then you didn't say anything, and it's been awkward ever since, and now we're here.
Okay, let's just end this clip.
Okay, we'll see you tomorrow.
What?
What?
In our next daily vlog.
Good night. Wait, I have an idea. Alright, so I'm gonna do all this, and you do that on the side, so it sounds like I'm doing a bunch of this.
Yeah.
Okay, ready?
Okay, ready?